Thrive Medical Blue Streak Wheelchair offers clients an incredible mix of speed and force. You can undoubtedly move the wheelchair starting with one spot then onto the next or store it because of its collapsing plan. It's anything but an extreme carbon steel outline that makes it tough and sturdy. Notwithstanding the intense development, this foldable wheelchair is shockingly light and simple to move.
It's anything but the most excellent load of 3,000 pounds, making it an ideal fit for most clients. Nonetheless, what separates it from different models is the 5 mph. If you have managed more slow choices and need to go for a quicker model, this wheelchair is for you. Due to the lightweight development, you will go quicker since it won't back you off.
Besides, the extravagant seat padding, movable upholstery, and backrest guarantee clients get the most extreme solace. Even better, you can redo this wheelchair as indicated by your necessities. Thrive Medical Plus Cirrus Folding Power Wheelchair isn't just extravagant yet, in addition, it gives the most extreme solace. It is strong, and it dismantles effectively, so you can undoubtedly move it in the vehicles with no issue.
What we liked: sturdy and durable, adjustable armrest, highly padded seat, easy to move around.
What we did not like: no negative issues.